Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a very pretty autumn makeup look that will work with pretty much every skin tone. It's just a beautifying makeup and very easy to create, and I hope you like it. Now if you'd like to see how I've done it, keep on watching. Lip balm. Mandatory, and I love this one, Omorovicza Perfecting Lip Balm. You guys know this is the only one that I've been using recently. Always start your makeup with lip balm. Synchro Skin Soft Blurring Primer from Shiseido. Cannot believe I got lower than half with this product. I've been using it a lot. Prolongs your makeup, makes your skin feel super nice. Dior Forever Skin Glow. This is my go-to foundation right now. This is the Makeup by Mario and Sephora brush. I feel like this foundation looks a little bit more yellow in the video than in real life. Yeah, definitely. It's super nice and glowy. Who tried this foundation and loved it? The matte version is nice if you have oily skin, because they do have a matte version as well. So lately what I've been doing, I was using self-tan on my face as well, in the same places where I would use bronzer. And then you wake up with a little bit of makeup on, basically. It's really nice. To get the perfect color and consistency right now for my skin, because it's a little bit more on the dry side, I'm gonna be mixing Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in Custard and Power Fabric Concealer from Armani in the color 4.5. So you see this one is just a little bit more yellow, the Armani one, and it's much lighter in texture with a satin finish. And the Jouer one, full coverage, a bit lighter, and a bit more on the cool side tone. Together, they're fantastic. Oh, let's use this 140 brush from Il Makiage. Okay, we're making the mixture and then you guys know the drill. This is my combo right now. I like to set the center of the face, and I'm going to use this Makeup Forever powder. This is in vanilla. And this brush, this is not my usual brush. This is a Sonia G Mini Cheek Brush. And sometimes people ask me, like, if you're using a glowy foundation, why do you powder afterwards? I don't powder everywhere. Just the center of the face. I do like this glow that I have everywhere, except here, here, and here. Are you guys ready for Halloween? I don't know why. I've never been into Halloween. I never liked it. I don't like to be scared. And I remember I've been once in the US during the Halloween, and I hated it. There were skeletons in the hotel, like at the reception where I was staying. Everything was decorated like so, I don't know. I didn't like the vibe. Super creepy. And I remember I came once very late, like after midnight. I was literally like shaking. I was so scared. And I was thinking, why do people like this? Why would you like to be scared? I feel like switching up a little bit. You know, sometimes you get into your routine and you're using the same products over and over again. The products that I use the most, they're right here around me. So if I want to use something else, I always have to like reach out to all the drawers. So I thought I should just change a bit. Now I'm using the Armani bronzer with this Ilia brush. This Ilia brush, ooh, really nice. Really, really nice. It's not fully matte. It's a super pretty bronzer. Like a classic bronzer, you know, that has a little bit of sheen to it. And let's do a little bit of bronzer here. Ooh, I wish my eyebrows were like this. Man, I love this. I love this. Like, it's gonna stay here on my makeup table. We need to use this again. It's too pretty. The thing about autumn makeup, like, I guess people are expecting for everything to be matte, but I'm not into like a super matte products, especially for the skin. Brow Freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, this brush is dead. So normally when I use this product, I literally glue my eyebrows to the skin, but the truth is it does not look good in real life, that method. However, I discovered that if I apply just a little bit, like much less product, and I just brush them up without gluing them to the skin, they stay actually. They stay a good amount of time like this. So you see there's this really nice fluffy feeling to the eyebrows. However, they do need a little bit of filling, so I'll be using the brow flick. Like so. Oh my god, it's so quiet today. I can hear my thoughts. And right now, I'll be honest with you, my thoughts are 90% food. Like, I have breakfast, and then the next thought is, what am I gonna have for lunch? I have not experienced hunger at this level ever in my life. Could be just in, yeah, it could be just in my head, but I'm literally hungry. Like my stomach is like. I'd like to say that I like this eyebrow, but it's not my best eyebrow. That's the reality. We're gonna roll with it. We have two options. You know I love Charlotte Tilbury. And I actually love these colors more. However, I'm gonna use the primer from Rare Beauty. Sorry, I just ate something. Honestly, my eyeshadow tends to stay really well, so I don't have to use an eyeshadow primer. Normally, the eyeshadow primers, they're very thick. Not this, okay? I've used it before, and I'm very impressed how nice it is, how thin it is. This is like a nice, decent palette for a beginner or for people who want neutral colors for work. Let's take this one, this color. MAC 217. They're not completely matte. Let's do it all the way at the outer corner. So normally I do, you guys know, I do that very pointy shape. Today I want to do more round. Therefore, I'm doing these very small circles to blend the color. Then I'll take the darker color with a Misa 10 brush. This is from the Puro collection. And I think this will go really nice at the base of the lashes. Make the lashes look nice, thick. Make the eyes pop. And then I smoke out the lower lashes. I take a clean blending brush and just make sure the edge right here is very well blended, because what happens now with my eyes being so dry, I don't know, since I'm pregnant, they're very dry. You know, when you apply eyeshadow, it just looks so bad if I don't blend it extra. Applying a little bit more of that eyeshadow right here. I wanted to use something else, but then I thought maybe you guys like it when I use just one palette for an eye look. So I'm gonna take the lightest color in the palette. Now I feel like it's a little bit too light, so I will take the first color, the lightest one, and do a very quick swipe in here so that we make it just a bit darker. Yeah, this is a lot better. Yeah, a little bit less contrast. I like it. Sweet Lashes mascara. Let's take the mask off. This is a new lipstick from Guerlain, and I think it's very like autumny. Yes. This is what the lipstick looks like. When you open it, you can literally apply lipstick in this tiny little mirror. Very Parisian chic. Sloppy application because I want to do that la bouche mordue type of lip. The more I apply it, the more I love it. I found this Nudestix all over face bronze color. It looks like this. I take it with a brush. I really love it. I think it works. Yeah. It's a whole other vibe. Yeah, you guys, a lot better. Okay, let's add these. They're nice and matte. Yes. Jewelry makes everything better. Okay guys, I've changed it into a more appropriate color for this makeup look. I think when you're wearing, if you're wearing orange, maybe go with the same lipstick color or something that is more nude, but in the same family. However, it just didn't work. So I think the color of my top now works with everything, and very nice, like beautifying autumn makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!